Good morning. How is everyone? Sorry we missed yesterday. We had a few things to do we couldn't avoid, but we are live today.
Oh my god, you whore.
Oh my god, Rizluck, all good. How are you? Hey, appreciate you checking us out today. Thank you for the tier 1 stuff. Much love, much love. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Yeah, we missed yesterday because I had a few things to do, and we'll only be live today for about an hour or so. Got more uni stuff to do. It's mostly online, but it just takes up time, you know. It's uni. What are you up to, Rizlock? What are you up to? Currently playing a new hype game in the moment. The Valheim game, yeah. So people seem to really like that game. I kind of like the look of it, but I don't want to get like into it, so I don't have time to focus on other things. But yeah. So the plan for today is I fully understand. Yeah. So the plan for today is to do a few roadmap suggestions. So if you have any, that you would like to be done from the roadmap, just let me know. Else, I'll just pick a random one and we'll go from there. Items, and we want a new one. So we're currently working on the bones to peaches and bananas. So we already have bones to bananas. We don't have bones to peaches. So that'll be coming in the update as well. Once we just quickly add it. Really, it doesn't take much. Flipperman, hey Ender, thanks for adding this peach. It means we can do the spell for it. But yeah, no. Rizlock, if you or anyone. Still need to do I already did part of the Weiss and Mole pieces, I just need to do the rest of it. Loving Opera GX so far, the new gaming browser. Is that what you mean? Why is this above this now? Oh, that blank needs to be like that. Make it better. Checkbox behind the game capture. There we go. Nods? Yeah. No, I've heard good things about it. Bones to bananas, bones to peaches. We have normal bones or big bones. It's meant to turn other bones, right? But that's pretty much the only bones we have at the moment. I guess dragon bones. Had auto ad blocker on it as well. It's Spotify, Discord, and Twitch are all in one place. That's nice. That sounds very nice. I'm sort of just happy with Chrome for now. See what we get to later though. Do spells have like an init? Evil Chrome. Our Overlord Chrome. I don't want to do this every single time. Make it into a private bones. Nope, that is not what we wanted. Alright, so we want magic items, bones, magic items, big bones, dragon bones, right? Dragon. Yeah, so what we want, so we're just gonna chuck that into here. And then 4 bones dot 4. Howdy, Zombie Barrage. How are you? Pretty much copy this over to the bones to bananas. But give bananas instead of peaches. I should also be standard and move this stuff. Banana. Hi Zamzam. Tom, if you have any, we're only live for a short amount of time today, so if you want to suggest something from the roadmap, go ahead. Doing well, how's the coding going? We just started today and we already did a roadmap suggestion, so pretty much. Ooh, you can eat peaches, right? So that needs to be a edible items that heal 8 hit points. I mean, the spell's meant to be unlocked from the mage training arena, but I don't think it's really that big of a deal. Peaches are untradeable and cannot be noted. Good to know. Skeletal Wyvern canoes. Yeah, someone added the canoes suggestion. I don't know how we do that, because, like, what if someone logs out mid-canoe? You know? Where do they end up? Insta warp it. Nah, you want to make the whole boat ride thing. It's so cool. Like maybe on log out it insta warps him, but you want to do the whole like boat ride thing. Shit would be funny as hell. All right. That should work. Let's go test it. Anyway, Zombie, what are you guys up to today? And Rizlark, all of you. I think I already asked. I don't know if I already asked you. I'm just playing Valheim. But if you have any other plans for today. Just office work? You're on a Slayer task. You did finish the last building, so you finish it? Yes, and I'll get you that, sorry, I need to get you that schematic. It's been a... Dude, Ender, so you were talking about, data. A project I'm working on, I'm pretty sure the owner of the project deleted everyone's user data. And we can't get it back. So I'm having to, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We need that data, but it doesn't exist anymore. Yeah. Send me details on it. I mean... It's sort of all... And there's no, like, backups or anything. So, yeah. Alright, let's try out Bones to Peaches. So what do we need? We will need a staff. Do we need a staff for this stuff? Ooh. No, we don't. It's a project for uni. Like, we all get a project, and it was like, part of it was we had to migrate the database. Alright, so if we drop everything and grab a whole bunch of different types of bones, so you can... I guess we should be doing these other ones, right? The baby dragon bones, bat bones. Alright, so let's add these to the list first. Someone fucked it. Or was that the project? No, like, she did it when we were like a part of the project, but we weren't at the stage where we needed to migrate the database. It was ages ago. Baby dragon bones. So we have big bones. Those are just normal bones, burnt bones, monkey bones. We could do wolf bones. I just want to do ones that are currently dropped. The baby dragon and bat bones. Baby dragon, wolf, and bat bones. So let's add those to the list. Wolf, baby dragon bones, and bat bones. Let me just copy this over to this one. Yeah, so we're kind of screwed on the project, and for that part, I'm hoping we can fix it, but we'll see. The application is not really fault friendly. Well, it's like it was a user error, right? Where she detached the database, or she removed the database, so it's like, what can we do? Yeah. Probably gonna kick me off, it's gonna take too long. But it's both like still there and they have to see it. I don't know. Because we can see like a list of like all the databases available, and it's that the one that we're looking for is not on there. Alright, admin area, bones to peaches. Bones to peaches. Completed. We don't have access to that sort of stuff, though. S&D Scholar, hello, long time no see. What are we working on right now? We are working on the bones to peaches and bones to bananas spells. I'm gonna make sure that I grab 2 of each. And make sure that these all turn into bananas. So it looks like we need a staff. No. Wait, what? This is broken somewhere else. I know where I went wrong. Is that the training arena? This is the Rogue's Den. So you should be able to crack this wall safe. That's what we added a few days ago, was these wall safes. Which have been requested for a while, but we sort of got something working for it. So we add each 2 items. And, add bones to peaches. Add more bones to bananas. And fix action. Order movement. Damn, he has a beard. Ugh. Right, we'll go into it. This is the state of the beard at the moment. I think the last time we checked in was some Green Jacks and moved to Woody. Wow, we've done a lot since then. Jeez. We've done a lot since then, S&D Scholar. You're doing an amazing job, it's cool to see. Hey. You look ginger with it? Yeah, it's a bit gingery. It's like brownie ginger. But, hey Pyro though, welcome back. Oh my. Got a lot of peaches. Ginger. She wanted you to have big beard. Tell wifey I said hi. I will. She didn't want it at first, but she gave me a month to grow it, and by the end of it, she said I could keep it. So I sort of just trim it down once it starts getting messy, and yeah, she doesn't mind it now. Cute, yeah. She was like, hell no, I don't want you to have a beard. And I'm like, come on, please, just 1 month. She's like, fine. And now it's fine. I was referencing Sven, but big beard. Ah, big bread. I was like, what? Have a big bread, big baguette. Alright, so it looks like it works. So we're able to cast bones to peaches, and bones to bananas is pretty much the same. So we'll mark. Yeah, that one should be done. Sweet. Change view back. If it'll let me. There we go. Look at all the peaches. These used to be bones. We can do it again. You just grab whatever you want. Ones that actually drop though. And then the runes. You fire, earth, and water. Nature, not. You just select it and kabloom. Doesn't play the alchemy sound. Maybe it should play the alchemy sound. Play the alchemy sound? Should. Ah, the bones to peaches doesn't. The bones to bananas does. We can just quickly fix that. Yeah, killing blue drags is Z. Gonna fall asleep. I like seeing their face up close, but I want to see code in game. God damn it. Pyro, horny. No. Bad Pyro. Alright. So then we'll add another commit. Add sound to phones. Alright, now we should finish working on... So, the mole rewards work. You can trade in... You can trade in both noted and normal mole... what are they? Claw and skin. But the boxes don't work at the moment. These things. So we need to make these work. Because I think these are stackable. But currently they're not. Let's go make them stackable. Okay, there we go. Ding! Here we get the old dings. People have been missing the dings. So they should be stackable now. Cool. And then you're supposed to be able to right-click them. And it'll open a... it will open... Where are they used? Does Pfizer not get them currently? It does. Yeah, so he'll give you one of them. It's also wondering... Can you explain how good Iron Man mode is on the server? So it's pretty much just the same as old school, really, where you're just doing whatever you want. But obviously no trading and then the different modes. As for group Iron Man, I think I did look at it at some point ago. Just thinking about it. Would it be... It'd be somewhat difficult, but not too difficult, I would say. The hardest part about it would be, like, being able to set up a group. You'd have to do it on tutorial only, sort of thing. You'd have to set up the group before you finish tutorial. RuneScape came out with a plugin that made it possible to do group Iron Man, but it's not really the same since it's not really through Iron Man. Yeah. So it's definitely possible. It'd be fun to do. No, you modded Zygino? Yeah, I had to mod someone out. He's modded on the server, so Nerdgino can be modded. Whenever old school. Oh, we can still do it without old school Pyro. Ah, since you're the only one. Yeah. Well, the chat's not really, it's usually pretty good. And then I usually ban any misbehaving people, or just tell them off. We had a few people in here the other day, and I just told them, this ain't the place for it, okay? Kinda knows what I'm talking about. Alright. Let's go to wherever we use the bird's nest empty. So we use that. Where do we use that? So probably should just move these out, but that's fine. Alright, so add block term. Oh, okay. But Pyro, what if it's the same issue on the server where like a word contains part of that? You just found it in mod view? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That seems fine. Well, I appreciate the info and wish you good luck. I'm going to keep checking and hopefully start playing the game soon. Yeah, definitely hop on and check it out. We're always open to suggestions. We're always improving, so someone else say night. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Seems to work. Add a whole bunch of blocked words if you want to. Can I use items in this end? Yes, I can. So if we go riceandroll.values.for Jesus. We really should have what the? Stop playing the intro music. So you want the interaction manager. Was that just... You can just get the instance, never mind. So we need to add the interaction. You're saying night. You just wanted to test a banned word to see if it contains. Come on, gonna work. There we go. All right, so. You add use item base. So you want to get the box, and then we add in so if need to get free slots. So if items holder to get free slots for the player, we don't want to give them a thing else if say return false. We should say return true, but then we have the general messages. No? Message. So otherwise, if items holder dot... No, it was general messages. Why is IntelliJ being so slow? Messages. So otherwise we want to be if the value dot get box dot contains and then we want to take it from them, then we items holder dot give or drop pl the value dot get nest. There we go. So if you have a box and you right click it, it'll give you a player items slot. Alright, cool. Should be able to run that. Where's the error? Add registry load. It should give you the nest. Can you send me the autobahn words file that we use for in-game on Discord? Send to me on channels and stuff. Sure thing. It's kind of weird. It's not a very comprehensive list. That's fine. Let me make Twitch this. There you go. Yeah, there's not much to it, so. So add use to Wyson birds nest boxes. Alright, let's try it. And we have an entire spreadsheet. Yeah, so I think some of them, I just took some of them because like it had a whole list of like fuck and like stuff like that, which were like, they weren't really swear words because you could just say like, it depends on the context for a lot of words. He's alive, Rigordi. Hello. Yeah. So I just took like the really, really bad ones and added them to the ban list. Rigordi. Thanks for those model adjustments, Rigordi. They're looking really good. That one you sent me yesterday, oh my god. If that's like the right size with the chairs and everything, it's gonna look so good. Bok took that from it. Yeah, exactly. Rigordi hugs. Hugs for Rigordi. Alright, trading Wyson mole pieces for bird's nest done. Fix bones to bananas, bananas, not taking different bones, and then add bones to peaches. Cool, and then what else did we just do? We did the Wyson mole pieces trading for birds nests / boxes. Bandit, do you like the dining tables even more now? Even more than before? It works! And you can't. This one doesn't. So the mice and birds nest just seem to work. Or maybe I committed that to the... Okay, well, cool. It does work. They look similar, but they line. Yeah, if they line up, that really helps because it's gonna look so much better. We're good. So we're able to. Able to open these, and then we can open these one further. Oh. Ooh, that's all done. Sweet. I can delete more boards. What you're working on? Just anything from the roadmap. We're only gonna be live for another 20 minutes or so. Sort of got quite a few things to do today. Uni-wise, Dragonfire. Rip, yeah, but we've gotten 2 things done already: bones to peaches and the mole pieces. So compared to the other day where we mostly only got the wall safes working, but you know. But yeah. Gonna add the bartenders and... Ooh, we could do. Could be one of the things. Alright, I'll just be right back. Need to go toilet. One sec. Alright, we back. Where is he right now in game? Broke's in. Yeah. Rigordi, was your request a roadmap suggestion? Bro fighter staff and functionality. You're an ogre enclave. So what's the use of a bro fighter staff? My uni schedule's okay for the next semester. Yeah. Can't log into the roadmap system to recover music sent to me. Fuck, that's right. Nature stuff basically saves you nats. But it's tradable and stuff, right? What happens when you trade it? The stuff is untradeable while it has any charges. Players can use right click option to remove all the staff's charges, but the nature runes stored within it are not returned. Ender. We might have to make a... Oh, we already have 2 items for it. Never mind, we're good. I thought we already have 2 items for it. So... all good, all good. So we'd have to change how we check for so here we where we take runes. We would have to do something like how do I say this? We'd have to somehow not take it if their staff has the runes. If that makes any sense. We're just gonna be taken down into 2. It does different things. This one returns the runes taken. I see. Alright, we'll still put this over here. Alright. So we'd have to change it here. And then we'd also have to change it here. For example, if we took the nature runes, then we'd have to remove it from the list. And then we'd have to but we'd only have to do only take if they have rest of runes. But then, like, what if the staff has one rune and the and they have one rune in their inventory for like a spell, if a spell costs 2 nature runes. So you got to think of like the different situations. 100 blue drags to go. Nice, nice. Totally doable though. So if we have an eye staff items, what is this? So we want a eyebrow fighter. And then we have a normal staff items. I'll turn this to a Cryo Fighter. And then here we'll have a so we want an int get runes. From an item stack. And then we want to item stack set runes. Well, it's not runes, it's like essence, right? Using a battle staff for Pro Fighter's essence. Off to work, goodbye. Thanks, Rigordi, for stopping by. We'll try again tomorrow. Actually, I have tomorrow off, so I'll be live for a good amount of time. Thank you for stopping by. Much, much appreciated. Bye. Bye-bye. An evening shift tomorrow. Gonna try to make it late. So get the nature stored and then set nature's stored. Ooh. You didn't eat pizza today? I had the most amazing pizza last night for dinner. I made it myself as well. So, if runes put a null, Yeah, spinach and grilled fish. Not sure if that'd be my type of thing. And then we want to copy the... Actually, we need to split this off. Cryo, fighter, staff. Cool. Copy the spell if selected. But it also needs to copy the for example, if you have because some of the spells set other data on the staff. Temp data. So we just need to copy the temp, like the whole temp data. So we can get the temp data, and then we can... Do we set temp data? It has to be gotten from the tag of the item. So what if we want to create a public static void copy temp data items static item stack copy temp data, right? So the item stack from item stack to. But then we want to we already do that. It's just not static. Never mind. That's cool. It already does it for us. So, let's also return an item stack. What are we doing? Coffee now, I'll be right back. All good, all good. So that'll copy any settings you have on the staff. And then if we go to the charged one, there should be a unique items, but that has to go on to the cool. So we want a tag for this. Just like this has elk slot. We want a private static string tag bryophyta. It's so like difficult to find out what to call this because you create it with the bryophyta's essence and then you charge it charges bryophyta charges. So maybe that's what it should be called. Charge it with more essence. Yeah. Wait, don't you just charge it with nature runes itself? How do you how do you charge them? More bryophyta essence? I don't know. Let me just return it, yes. Temp data, .get data. So we'll pass the int of getting the temp data. Just throw the exception. That's fine. Sad to see you short today. Yeah, we'll be going in a few minutes. We've been an hour. Got a few things to do. So that will get the amount on the staff. So how do we... How do you do the bro fighters? Videos?
Hello, I hope all is well. And he has a spells you have a 1 in 15 chance of air for alking. Could be possibly standing and alking is kind of a waste of time. It's less if your combat's at no cost than something else. 45k really cheap, only around
15 minutes, Jesus. If someone can get me a video on how it's done or more explanation, that'd be great. The staff can be charged with up to 1,000 nature runes. Like what? Anyways, I guess that will be us for today. If anyone can give us more info on how that Brofighter staff works, or who would be the best to ask? Someone that knows a lot about them. Yeah. Who asked it, actually? Who asked for the Brofighter staff? Rebooted. A bit OG, yeah, if we could get someone who knows more, that'd be great. I currently have to go. Uni all day, meetings online and stuff. Luckily, most of it's online, but So do you use the nature runes on the staff? Is that what you mean, Zombie? You don't charge it with the essence. You create the stuff with the essence, but you don't... But then you just add the nats. Okay. It doesn't really explain that very well on the wiki. Okay, cool. Well, I'll work on that tomorrow. We've got a lot of time tomorrow. But yeah. Until then, thank you. Thanks, Rezlark, for the tier 1 sub. Thank you all for joining us today. Enjoy your days, or nights, or whatever you guys are doing. Should be same time tomorrow. If I can stay awake. See ya, Bandit. Hey, see ya. Yeah. It was fun. We got 2 stuff done already. Hey, that's pretty good. If we get 2 more stuff done every day, I'd be happy. Coffee. Go to bed and I'm kidding. Peace.